Hi everybody, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at a new brokerage listing that I just received. This is a 2018 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler. This is their 60th anniversary edition. It's in their classic tan with red graphics, galvanized trailer, bimini, the bow rail, stern rail, 115 Mercury. Let me give you a closer look. A couple of upgrades that the owner did: added the J&L speaker system. There's two in the console, and then he had two custom mounted under the aft seats. This one does have the live well here, Raymarine GPS fish finder, fusion stereo, the fishing package, which includes the compass, the backrest, forward seat. You can get a good look at the bow cushion here. It's in really nice shape, ready to hit the water for this summer. If you'd like any information on this model, please feel free to give me a call. Area code 912-398-8134. Thank you very much.